Is your iPhone cannot connect to the internet after the iOS 17 update? No need to worry. Follow these easy and advanced troubleshooting processes to fix the iPhone cannot connect to the internet after the recent update. So let's get started. Method 1. Enable and disable airplane mode. Swipe down from the top. Enable airplane mode. Wait 10 to 20 seconds. Then turn back off. Then check your issue. Method 2. Reset your iPhone. Give a simple reset on your iPhone. Often only given a simple reset on the iPhone can solve minor software bugs and glitches. After that, check your issue. Method 3. Update iOS. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap General. Tap Software Update. Now if you find any pending update, please update your iPhone. Then check your issue. Method 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap General. Scroll down. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Reset network settings. But make sure this will reset all of your network settings and will back to default values. Tap Reset network settings again. After doing all these processes, hope you cannot connect to the internet connection will be solved. Now if you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.